Welcome back, students. This is Prowl Fernandez reporting for the Prowl at Forest High School. The schedule for this week is as follows. Today is a teacher work day. Tuesday and Wednesday are both full period days. Thursday is first period, CAT, third and fifth, and Friday is second, CAT, fourth and sixth. Today there is no school. Take a day to make sure you have all your supplies prepared for the upcoming week. Tuesday is the first day back. This is the last day of the second quarter. Be sure to watch Teen Safety Matters in your sixth period. For sports, Tuesday there is a boys basketball game at Trinity Catholic. JV plays at 6 o'clock and varsity plays at 7:30. There is a boys soccer MAC tournament at Lake Weir High School and a girls soccer MAC tournament at Booster. Wednesday is the first day of the third quarter and second semester. Cap and gown picture signups are now available for seniors. Make sure to sign up for sports. There is a freshman basketball game at Denellen at 4:30. Boys soccer plays another game of the MAC tournament at Lake Weir High School, and girls soccer play their game for the MAC tournament at Booster. Thursday is a Club A activity day in CAT. Be sure to get those passes so that you can attend your clubs. For sports, Thursday we have a boys basketball game versus Vanguard at home. Freshman starts at 4:30, JV starts at 6, and varsity starts at 7:30. There is a boys soccer MAC tournament at Lake Weir High School at 7 o'clock, and the girls MAC tournament at Booster at 5. Friday is the last day of the first week back. It's Forest Friday. Wear your green to show your school spirit. Hopefully you've gotten back into the routine of school and fixed those winter break sleep schedules. There is a senior class meeting during CAT. There is also a girls basketball game versus Wildwood here at Forest that starts at 7:30. Boys soccer plays their last day of the MAC tournament at Booster Stadium at 7 o'clock. And same with the girls, also at Booster at 5 o'clock. Once again, this has been Brielle Fernandez reporting for the Prowl, and like always, go Cats!